Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear audience. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to explore the amazing world of blood. We will discuss main components of blood and their function in the body. Before starting discussion about blood, let's know about an interesting information about blood. Our blood travels about 97,000 kilometers in our body every day. Let's start discussion about blood. First of all, we will define blood. Blood is a red colored fluid and flows in the blood vessel. It is connective tissue. And main function of blood is it transport oxygen in the blood, transport nutrients and hormones, and also help to remove waste from the body. Next, we will discuss main components of blood. There are two main components of blood. Number one is plasma and number two is blood cells. And blood cells are of three types: red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Plasma is liquid part of the blood and it is about 55% of the blood. Red blood cells carry oxygen, white blood cells help to fight with infections, and platelets help in blood clotting. We will discuss these functions in detail in next slides. Here you can see the components of blood. If we centrifuge the blood, the plasma will stay at the upside. It is light in density and it is liquid part and it is 55% of the blood. And next component will be buffy coat. It contains white blood cells and platelets. And at the end will be red blood cells. They are 45% of the blood and they are heavy and have high density. So they will settle down. Red blood cells also called erythrocytes. Let's discuss three types of cells one by one and their functions. First of all, we will discuss red blood cells. The main function of red blood cells is they carry oxygen from lungs to all parts of the body. And its importance is without oxygen, cell cannot produce energy. So they are most important component of the blood. And their special feature is they contain hemoglobin. And hemoglobin is the site which carry oxygen. And hemoglobin also gives red color to the blood. Here you can see the diagram of red blood cells. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin. Their shape is biconcave disc. They have no nucleus and their function is they carry oxygen. So we can say that RBCs or red blood cells are oxygen carrier of the body. Next we will discuss white blood cells, WBCs. White blood cells protect the body from germs and infections. If any germ enter in the body, white blood cells fight with the germs and help to kill it and remove from the body. So we can say that they are bodyguard of our body. They are soldiers of our body. And importance of white blood cell is they are soldier of the body and produce immunity system in the body. And the special feature of white blood cell is they can change shape and move to the site of infection. So we can say that WBCs or white blood cells are body defender. They protect the body from germs and infection and protect our body and produce immunity system. Here you can see different shapes of the white blood cells: neutrophils, basophil, eosinophil, monocytes and lymphocytes. The function of all of these is to kill the germs. Here you can see how white blood cells help to kill the germs. They fight with the germs and try to kill them and protect our body from diseases. Next we will discuss platelets. The main function of platelets is they help in stop bleeding. They help in blood clotting. And their importance is they prevent excessive bleeding when we get injury or cut. They gather at the site of bleeding and clot there and help to clot the blood and stop bleeding. Special feature is they are very small cell fragments. They are very small in size. So we can say that the function of platelets is they stop bleeding. They gather at the site of bleeding and make a clot at the site and stop further bleeding. So they save our body from excessive bleeding. Here you can see how platelets work. Platelets gather at the site of injury. Here is the injury and blood is flowing from the cut vessel. Here platelets form a clot and stop further bleeding. In this way, platelets help in stop the bleeding from the body and lives can be saved. So we can say that the main function of blood is transport oxygen and nutrients, remove carbon dioxide during respiration, and also remove waste from the body, protect from diseases, control body temperature, and stop bleeding as blood clotting. In the end, we can combine all the functions, and one line summary for this is RBCs are oxygen carriers, WBCs are body defenders, and platelets stop bleeding. I hope you have understand the function of all blood components and the importance of blood. If you have understand the topic, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.